There was a time I felt behind in life, not just a little, completely. I watched others move forward while I stood still, questioning my worth, my timing, my direction. But here's what no one tells you: being behind doesn't mean you're finished. Sometimes it means you're being rebuilt. I stopped waiting to feel ready. I stopped waiting for motivation, and I made one quiet decision to show up anyway. Not perfectly, not confidently, just consistently. Every small effort counted. Every day I choose discipline over comfort, self respect over self doubt. This isn't about proving anyone wrong, it's about proving to myself that my past doesn't get to decide my future. If you're watching this and you feel lost, late, or invisible, you're not weak, you're in the middle of becoming. So keep going, even when it's silent, even when no one claps, because one day this chapter won't be your pain, it will be your power. Subscribe if you are ready to turn setbacks into comebacks. Let's make this year unstoppable.